Hey guys, I'm looking crazy today. I woke up way late for work, but this is my first day fully raw. So just want to let you guys know I had I think it was like 26 ounces or so of celery juice, and then um, I had a smoothie. I don't know. It didn't have any bananas, but it was just like spirulina, blueberries, and spinach, I think. So maybe a couple cups of each of those, maybe a little extra. It was good. It was good. I got my mouth all blue though at work, so that's fun. And my teeth and stuff. And now I'm moving on. It's about it's 1:14. I have like a pack of frozen pineapple that I'm gonna eat and drink the juice of. So I just want to let you know, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hey you guys. So it is 6:45. It feels later because it's so cold, you guys. We're having Arctic blast, so of course it's one of the best times to go raw, right? So I came home. I was feeling cravings. I had a little bit of a stressful day, and I needed food right away. So I ate some carrots. I would say I had about a cup of carrots or so just by themselves. And then I was also just nibbling on spinach. Just like, I just pulled out everything that I knew that I had and that I needed to eat. And then I decided, you know what, I better get to work because I'm hungry. My kids have this, they have pizza, they have food that smells good. It's really getting me going, and I knew I needed some carbs and all of that. So I got right to work, and I busted out my new veggetti. It's been taking me a while to eat this, actually. I don't know if you guys can see since I haven't shown you. It's amazing. It's really good. Honestly, best freaking dressing I've ever made, and I'm gonna eat it every day. Oh god, I didn't even show you guys anything because my phone, I've been forgetting to bring my charger to school, to work. So I need to go way back. I had 8 oranges. I'll correct it if it's wrong. 8 cuties, rather, at work for my actual lunch break. I had some dates. I think I had like 4 dates with an apple. It's so good. And so then I came home and I had, like I said, carrots and spinach. And then the salad, as of right now, per my calculations on this, you guys, this is a 80 grams of carb meal, which is not bad, I think, for a, for a savory vegan, raw vegan meal. I'm going to clean up a little bit and get out of the kitchen. But I guarantee you I'm going to eat some more food. I don't have ripe bananas, which sucks. And I'm got to make my celery juice. I'm going to drink this freaking sauce. There's not a whole lot extra. See that? I'm about to spill. It's so beautiful on your eyes, and it's so tasty, and it makes you feel so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm freaking out. So anyway, this is my dinner. This is my first dinner. My plan, you guys, get this. My plan is to eat 600 grams of carbs throughout the day, and mainly fruit, and then have this 80 grams of carbohydrate salad, and then have the Thai soup. So overall, I'd be eating over 750 grams of carbs a day. And the reason why I set that aim so high is just so that because I feel like a lot of people, when they do raw, they don't get enough calories. They just don't get enough calories or carbs. Hey guys, it's me. It's about 8:54, and around about 8 o'clock, I think I ate at 7 is the last time I checked in with you guys, and around about, like I said, about 8 o'clock, I was thinking I was pretty hungry. I was thinking, oh wow, it's only been an hour, and I'm like super hungry. And I was just working on a video, and by now I didn't eat anything else, but I just had to drink some water because I realized, wow, I really haven't drinking that much water today. And so it's definitely cut the food cravings back down. Not that I'm like purposefully not trying to eat. I just was busy, you know, and I was working on something else and I felt like it had been so soon. If I was still hungry, obviously I would have eaten. This is not about calorie restriction at all. I just want to make that clear. But, and I will eat. I am going to eat again, but I just don't feel like I'm going to need to cram maybe as much in as I thought I was going to have to. So I just want to share that with you. I think part of it just might be my expectation to always be hungry and to need so much more food. Excuse my little hat. It's so cold. I'm like exercising here, trying to get my 20 or my 10K steps in, only at 5,000, but on this rebounder, I get them in real easy, real quick. So I don't know, is that cheating that I'm on a rebounder? Excuse me. I went ahead and made kind of a quick version of the soup since I already had everything out. Of the like Thai soup that I am gonna make. It's not the real recipe that I want to make because I'm actually out of a lot of spices right now, but I do have some really good Thai spices. I have like, I think I didn't use the galangal because I was having a hard time getting it open. So I just used the kaffir leaves and it's powder, and then lemongrass. So, and then of course I have the ginger in there, and I just threw, I don't know, I'll kind of put what I put in there. I'll talk about the recipe later, but what I did is just poured this soup mixture, didn't warm it up or anything, just blended it up with a lot of good amount of water. And then I had spiralized, had the leftover carrots that I had spiralized, and then I went ahead and just spiralized a couple more zucchinis. One probably just wait till tomorrow, but one of those zucchinis was in this meal. And so it's down there waiting for me. It's kind of marinating, and I don't know exactly how that's going to be. But I tasted the broth, and whew, it was amazing. I put some cayenne in there. It's a little bit spicy. It's like so good. I'm a huge broth person. So I think that's something maybe that I'll be doing a lot of. So anyway, I'll check you guys in a bit. Hey, fruit faces. So it's me. I am winding down. It's 10:17. I ended up having a little bit more of the zucchini and the carrots that I made with this soup, and it was good. It was really good, very flavorful. The broth was just what I wanted. However, I think having all of those, like a whole nother zucchini and a whole nother like cup of carrots, that's a bit too much. I'm getting to the point where, like, although it tastes good, it's like chewing is starting to, it's not like making my jaw sore, but it's kind of like just getting old, you know, and it's just kind of not what I wanted, you know, what I want. So I just had some of that, and I do actually have, I'm probably going to drink the rest of the broth. I went ahead and poured it out, kind of strained it out so that I could have the noodles, the zoodles and koodles with maybe with something else, or just eat those tomorrow or whatever. By the way, my cat is crazy. Anyway, yeah, so I ate that, and I had a little sip of the blueberry smoothie that I made with just one banana because they're not very ripe. There's only one that was like somewhat ripe. Couple cups of, over 2 cups of blueberries, cilantro, spinach. Forgot to put the spirulina in there, but that's okay. I can always add that in and shake it up later if I really feel the need to. And I think I had another couple bites of spinach, just plain. Same thing, little pieces of cilantro. What else did I just eat? Oh, some celery juice as well. So just kind of a little sampling of what I kind of had all day. So anyway, I'm getting pretty tired. I want to finish up my steps, but I don't think it's going to take me that long. But the shitty thing is I have to wake up really early in the morning to take my son to baseball practice. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're making us do this in this cold ass weather. But I think it's going to be 7 degrees or something tomorrow. So anyway, I better wrap this up. Okay, it doesn't look too good, but it's very, very good. It almost tastes salty, but obviously I didn't add any salt. It's got that little spice action. Cilantro's so good. Like, this is definitely something that, you know, I think is really good right before bed. It's, you know, especially if you are like me, sometimes in the past, like, a place would think I was hungry, but I was really just thirsty. You can get a lot of flavors, you can get a lot of nutrients this way. You know, there's even hemp hearts in there, actually, now that I think about it. So, you know, you may think, oh, it's just a broth, that's not very filling, but I mean, that's a lot of good nutrition that really will, it won't like fill you up, but we don't want to be super filled up right before bed anyway. So, anyway, I'm really going this time. It's cold, I gotta jump, and I gotta go to bed. Okay, love you guys, bye.